Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have LLOYD here. I think it's the first time here on Gordon Guitar. This one is called Oceanside. So, a song about 4 different chords that goes round and round. We'll look at this melody that goes and the choruses. But anyway, let's start with this tutorial and a capo set here on the 5th fret. So capo on 5th, and with that we're going to go over the 4 chords needed. So the first one will be A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's your A minor. The next chord is C. Very convenient to go from A minor to C. Just move one finger up here to the 3rd fret A string. Then second D, open G, first B, and open E. That's your C. The next chord will be F, and I will go with the shorter version here, the F, or actually more the F major 7. Why? Because it's much easier to get the notes needed if you want to build in this melody, all right? Instead of going with the bar chord, and it's very hard to get anything else more than just a chord. So the shorter version of F, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and yeah, open E. And then finally we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. When it comes to this G here, if you want to build in the notes later, I'm going to show you how to do that. We'll not be able to hold this chord and plus notes added. So we'll just go with a bass note here pretty much, 3rd fret on E string, and then the rest will be what we need for the notes, the other fingers. All right, anyway, we'll come to that. The chord progression in this song is the order we learned the chords, so it will be from A minor to C to F to G. All right, and just to play like clean playing here with just the strumming, then we will learn the strumming pattern, which is very easy. It's the down, up, down, up. So if you grab the A minor first, that's the first chord. One strumming around will be like that. Okay, so down, up, and what I like to do here is to emphasize the second down, or the last down here. So down, up, that down. I play more on the higher notes here, down on the top strings, and all the other downs and ups, I play more on the bass mid strings. So that will be bass, bass, top bass, down, up. In that way, you'll emphasize the down here, which is played on the top higher notes. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, bass, bass, top bass, 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 top bass. Yes. All right. So with the chord progression and no other notes included here, the chord progression here is A minor 3, then C1, then F3, and G1. So it will be A minor, C, F, G, A minor 3, C1, F3, and G1. Alright, so you can do that through the entire song, and that will be fine. But you can also add these notes here played in the chorus, around the chorus area there. And now let's go over the notes. So you start with this part. Okay, so that is open G, second G, first E, and open E. Then you land on the first B string, and here you start the A minor. Okay, and then comes the C chord. You're gonna start to strum that, and then comes the notes. So that is pretty similar to the first part. It will be open G, second G, first E, and open E. So the notes there are exactly the same, but the end note there, instead of playing the first B string when you played the A minor, now you play the second G string to land on the F chord. And then you continue to strum that. And then you play the G. And then comes the notes that was exactly right before the A minor part. So, and then comes the A minor again. So it goes kind of like in a wheel here. So slowly it will be like this. And notice here when we're playing the notes here included, then the A minor and also the F. Normally when we just play the strumming pattern here, they are played with 3 strumming rounds, but when you try to include the notes here, then you just play for 2 strumming rounds. And the reason for that is because the notes, they eat up, so to speak, 1 strumming round. So it will be notes here, and then 2 on the A minor, only 2, and then you shift to C, and then you play the notes again, and then you come to F and just play 2 now, and then it comes G, just a kick there as well in the same way as the C, and then comes the notes again, back to the next round. That is how it works. All right, so if you feel a bit insecure with this notes added, a little bit hard for you and right now, then just go with the strumming A minor 3, C1, F3, G1, pretty easy. And that's what's going to be in the song here, Oceanside from Dennis Lloyd. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope this helped, and if you did, please thumb up this tutorial here and play tuned.